Look up tonight. The sky looks calm, fixed, almost friendly. It is lying to you. Every star you see is a furnace millions of miles wide. The closest one, Proxima Centauri, sits 4.2 light-years away. Light from it left before you were born. And it still takes 4 years to reach your eye. Now widen the frame. The Hubble Deep Field photographed a patch of sky the size of a grain of sand at arm's length. Inside that grain, astronomers counted over 10,000 galaxies. Each galaxy holds on average 100 billion stars. The observable universe holds roughly 2 trillion galaxies. Your brain cannot hold that number. No brain can. In 1928, mathematician J.B.S. Haldane wrote that the universe is not only stranger than we suppose, it is stranger than we can suppose. He was not being poetic. He meant your wiring is the problem. Your brain evolved on the African savanna roughly 200,000 years ago. It was built to track lions, weather, and 40 other people in a tribe. It was never built to track a trillion anything. So when it meets true scale, it does not calm down. It panics. Writer H.P. Lovecraft gave this feeling a name in 1927, cosmicism. His claim was simple. Humanity is insignificant in a universe governed by forces with no regard for us at all. He wrote that the most merciful thing in the world is the inability of the human mind to correlate all its contents. In plain terms, if you truly understood your place out there, the knowledge itself would be the threat. Real astronauts confirm a version of this. Apollo 14's Edgar Mitchell described it in 1971. Looking back at Earth from space, he felt an overwhelming sense of universal connectedness. Psychologist Frank White later named this the overview effect in 1987. Many astronauts report the same two-part reaction, awe first, then a quiet terror underneath it. Apollo 9 astronaut Rusty Schweickart said he felt like an instrument of evolution, and small at the same time. That mix of wonder and dread has a clinical name now, the overview effect's shadow side. Here is where the dread sharpens. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a question over lunch. If the universe holds billions of habitable planets, where is everyone? We call it the Fermi Paradox. Decades of searching, the CT Institute since 1984, and still silence. No signal, no probe, no light flickering in a pattern that isn't natural. One explanation is called the Great Filter, an unseen barrier that wipes out civilizations before they reach the stars. Nobody knows if humanity has already passed that filter or is still walking toward it. Then there is the ending nobody escapes. Physicists call it heat death. In roughly 10 to the power of 100 years, every star burns out, every black hole evaporates, and entropy wins completely. Cosmologist Sean Carroll has described this end state as a universe with no events left to happen at all. That is the real source of the fear, not monsters, not aliens. Indifference. A universe that does not notice you will not remember you, and was never arranged around you. Existential dread fears death. Cosmic dread fears something colder. That your death changes nothing out there. And yet the same astronauts who felt that chill also called it the best moment of their lives. Edgar Mitchell said he came back a changed man, calmer, not smaller. Awe researchers at UC Berkeley found in 2015 that small doses of cosmic scale reduce stress and self-focus. The terror and the relief come from the same fact. You are small enough that your mistakes are small too. The cosmos was never cruel. It was only ever vast, and vastness has no opinion of you. So look up again. The dread is real. So is the choice of what you do with it.